Okay, so now you get the color and everything. I'm going to add the saltfish now. This is the last thing to come in. Hello, my name is Clyde. Welcome to the hills of Paramin, and today I would like to invite you all into my kitchen. Okay, hello everyone, all my friends out there. I hope you all being safe. Protect yourself, number one thing. So today in my kitchen, I want to make something my parents used to make long time, and I follow the tradition. Something they call découché in Patois. Now in English, that means leftover overnight or things like that. You don't just throw away food, because food, what you throw away is other people will be glad for it. So I have a little découché from last night, which is provision, cassava and dashing. So I will cook up that today. So as you see here now, this is the leftover dashing and cassava. So what I will do is cut it up and fry it up. So I'm going to prepare that now. So now I'll prepare cut up my provision to fry in another time. You don't cut it too big, neither too small, like this. Cassava, same thing, not too big, nice little sizes. I have everything cut up here, as you could see. Light up and get ready to rumble. Okay, now oil in pot. Right. Put a little garlic, fry up a little garlic, but the garlic mustn't get black. Give it a little brown color, because when it comes to black, you'll get a bitterness taste. So as it brown up there a little bit, I'll put the other ingredients. So now I have, this is Creole scythe. This was the long time scythe. As you can see, some people call it Creole, some people call it brown scythe. But I prefer to call it the Creole scythe. You don't get this anywhere. This only go in Paramin. You can take it and plant it anywhere else. It will come for a while and eventually it will die out. So this is what I'm using. I have some chop up here. Here's the Creole scythe here. Fresh seasoning, some pimento, and of course saltfish. So that going in the découché too. So now the garlic brown up a little bit. I'll put the Creole scythe. Pimento, not too much. Some of the fresh seasoning. And of course, a little ruku, Uncle Clyde ruku. Not too much, just to get a little color. So you see the color coming in here now, one time. Watch it. Everything frying up. Okay, now I'll put my provision in the pot, because everything here cook up already. So it's just to put some of these. So you see the different color, see how it comes? Nice little color. Okay, so now you get the color and everything. I'm going to add the saltfish now, which is the last thing to come in. Just mix up everything, make sure all the salt will go right through it. And that's about it there. Then fighting up. Big man thing. Okay, so now my little découché ready. Now it's something I grew up with also with the old people again, my parents especially. Whenever you make that kind of food, you must have some sweet oil to go with it. Some people call it sweet oil, some people call it olive oil, but for me it's sweet oil. So I'll put a little sprinkle on it. I love my sweet oil. Can't go wrong. Yeah. So love in the house all the time. Blessings.